Did you know your car could be falling apart right now without you even realizing it? Most breakdowns don't happen overnight. They start as tiny, silent problems that get worse every time you drive. Ignore them, and suddenly, you're stranded on the side of the road with a repair bill you weren't ready for. But here's the good news: you can prevent it. In this video, I'll give you 17 car maintenance tips that could save you thousands. And if you stick around, I've got a bonus tip at the end that most drivers don't know, but absolutely should. Let's go. Tip number 1, don't ignore warning lights. The check engine light is the most common. It could mean something small, like a loose gas cap, or something big, like a failing sensor. Ignoring it won't make the problem go away. It'll just get worse. Then there's the oil pressure light. If that comes on while driving, pull over immediately. It means your engine isn't getting enough oil, and driving further could destroy it. The battery light? That's a sign your alternator isn't charging. And if your car's running on battery power alone, it won't run for long. Every warning light means something. Don't guess. Don't ignore it. Check your owner's manual or get it scanned. An OBD2 scanner reads the error codes behind your warning lights. Here are a few common ones. P0300, random gear multiple cylinder misfire detected. P0171, engine running too lean, too much air, not enough fuel. P0420, catalyst system efficiency below threshold, possible bad catalytic converter. P0455, large EVAP leak, often a loose gas cap. P0128, coolant thermostat below regulating temperature. Some issues are minor, while others need immediate attention. Always diagnose first. Guessing can be costly. Tip number 2, inspect your brakes. Brakes don't just stop working overnight. They give you warning signs. Squeaking, grinding, or a soft brake pedal means something's wrong. Ignoring these signs could lead to total brake failure. Most brake pads last between 30,000 to 70,000 miles, depending on how you drive. But don't wait for them to wear out completely. Use a gauge to check your brakes at least twice a year. If the pads are less than 1/4 inch thick or 4 millimeters, it's time to replace them. Also, pay attention to your brake fluid. If it's dark or low, get it changed. Bad brake fluid can cause spongy brakes, making it harder to stop in an emergency. Tip number 3, maintain your battery. Most car batteries last 3 to 5 years, but that depends on the weather, your driving habits, and how well you maintain it. Heat speeds up corrosion, while cold drains power. That's why batteries tend to die in extreme temperatures. Check your battery terminals for corrosion, that white, crusty buildup. It blocks the connection and weakens your battery. If you see it, clean it off with a wire brush and a mix of baking soda and water. Also, test your battery voltage using a multimeter. A healthy one should read 12.6 volts or higher when the car is off. If it's dropping below 12.4 volts, it may be time for a replacement. And here's a simple tip: drive your car regularly. Short trips don't give the battery enough time to charge. Tip number 4, monitor tire pressure. Your tires affect your fuel economy, handling, and safety. If they're underinflated, your car has to work harder, which burns more gas. And if they are overinflated, you lose traction, making it harder to stop or turn safely. Either way, bad tire pressure can cost you at the pump and on the road. The right tire pressure keeps your ride smooth and safe. Check it at least once a month using a tire pressure gauge. You'll find the correct PSI pounds per square inch in your owner's manual or on a sticker inside the driver's door. Some cars have a tire pressure monitoring system, TPMS. This alerts you if a tire is too low, but it doesn't always warn you about gradual pressure loss. Tip number 5, check your oil regularly. I know there's no single most important maintenance task for your car, but this one is as close as it gets. Your engine runs on oil. It keeps everything lubricated and prevents overheating. But over time, oil breaks down and gets dirty. When that happens, your engine parts grind against each other. That leads to wear, overheating, and, eventually, total engine failure. Checking your oil is easy. Just pop the hood, pull out the dipstick, wipe it clean, dip it back in, and check the level. If it's low or dark, change it. Back then, oil change was recommended after 3,000 miles. But modern lubricants now allow for a much longer interval between services, from 5,000 to 7,500 miles. But if it takes full synthetic oil, you might go as long as 15,000 miles between changes. Neglect your oil, and you could be looking at a blown engine, one of the most expensive repairs a car can need. Tip number 6, replace windshield wipers. Most wipers last 12 months or more. If they streak, skip, or make noise, it's time for new ones. The rubber degrades over time due to sun exposure, dirt, and temperature changes. Check them regularly. Run your fingers along the blade. If you feel cracks or rough spots, replace them. And don't forget the rear wiper if your car has one. Also, keep your windshield clean. Dirt and grime wear down the wiper blades faster. A quick wipe with a damp cloth can extend their life. Visibility is everything when driving. Don't wait until you're caught in a storm to realize your wipers are bad. Tip number 7, check all fluids. Your car runs on more than just gas. Fluids keep everything moving, lubricated and cool. If they get low or dirty, parts start wearing out fast. Here's what you need to check. Engine oil, lubricates moving parts. Low oil leads to overheating and engine damage. Coolant prevents overheating. If it runs low, your engine could seize. Brake fluid transfers force to your brakes. Dirty fluid makes braking less responsive. Transmission fluid keeps your gears shifting smoothly. If it's low, expect jerky shifts and expensive repairs. Power steering fluid helps you turn the wheel easily. Low levels make steering stiff. Windshield washer fluid keeps your view clear. A dirty windshield is a safety hazard. Check these fluids regularly. Some have dipsticks, while others have reservoirs with level markers. Keeping them topped off prevents breakdowns and costly repairs. Tip number 8, rotate your tires. Car tire care doesn't end at just checking the pressure. If you want them to last, you need to rotate them. Your front and rear tires don't wear the same way. The front ones handle most of the braking and steering, so they wear down faster. If you never rotate them, they'll wear out unevenly, forcing you to replace them sooner. Most experts recommend rotating your tires every 5,000 to 7,500 miles. This helps them wear evenly, improves handling, and extends their lifespan. Plus, it can save you money by preventing premature tire replacements. And when should I replace all my tires, you may ask? The recommended period is every 6 years, or after they've driven 50,000 miles. Tip number 9, check your alignment. Ever feel like your car is pulling to one side? That's a sign your alignment is off. And if you ignore it, you'll be replacing tires way sooner than you should. Misalignment doesn't just wear out your tires unevenly. It messes with your handling, reduces fuel efficiency, and even puts stress on your suspension. How can you tell if your alignment is bad? Let go of the steering wheel for a second on a straight road. If your car drifts, it's time for an alignment check. Also, check your tire tread. Uneven wear means trouble. Hitting potholes, curbs, or even normal wear and tear can throw your wheels out of alignment. Most manufacturers recommend getting an alignment check every 6,000 to 10,000 miles. If you want to avoid common tire mistakes that could cost you, tap the card on your screen to watch our car tire mistakes video. Tip number 10, replace air filters. Your engine needs clean air to run efficiently. That's where the air filter comes in. It traps dust, dirt, and debris before they reach the engine. But over time, it clogs up. And when that happens, your engine struggles to breathe. A dirty air filter can reduce fuel efficiency, weaken acceleration, and even damage engine components. Replacing it is one of the easiest maintenance tasks, and it makes a big difference. Most filters should be changed every 12,000 to 15,000 miles, 19,000 to 24,000 kilometers. But if you drive on dusty roads, you might need to do it sooner. Your car also has a cabin air filter. This keeps dust, pollen, and pollutants out of the air inside your car. A clogged one means weak airflow and bad odors from your vents. Check your filters. If they look dirty, swap them out. Tip number 11, inspect belts and hoses. Belts and hoses might not seem important until one fails. Then, your engine overheats, your power steering goes out, or your alternator stops charging. Your serpentine belt powers key parts like the alternator, water pump, and air conditioning. If it cracks, frays, or squeals, it's time to replace it. Most last 50,000 to 100,000 miles, but check your owner's manual for specifics. Then there are hoses. Coolant hoses carry antifreeze through your engine to keep it from overheating. Over time, they get brittle, swollen, or start leaking. A tiny crack can turn into a major failure fast. If you see bulges, soft spots, or fluid leaks, replace them. Tip number 12, stick to scheduled tune-ups. Tune-ups keep your engine running efficiently and catch small issues before they turn into expensive repairs. Mechanics check spark plugs, filters, and sensors. If any of these wear out, your car can misfire, lose power, or burn more fuel. Fluids also get checked. Old transmission fluid, sluggish shifting, dirty coolant, engine overheating. These things don't fix themselves. Most cars need a tune-up every 30,000 to 100,000 miles, depending on the make and model. Tip number 13, check your suspension and steering. If your car pulls to one side, feels bouncy, or the steering feels loose, your suspension or steering might need attention. The suspension system keeps your ride smooth and stable. Shocks and struts absorb bumps. If they're worn out, your car will bounce more, and stopping distances will increase. Steering issues are just as serious. A stiff or unresponsive steering wheel could be low-power steering fluid, hearing clunks when turning, worn-out tie rods or ball joints. These parts keep your wheels aligned and your car in control. To check your suspension, press down on the hood and release. If the car bounces more than twice, your shocks might be bad. Also, listen for noises when driving over bumps. Tip number 14, monitor the exhaust system. Your exhaust system directs harmful gases away, improves fuel efficiency, and even affects engine performance. A failing exhaust can leak carbon monoxide into your car. That's deadly. If you smell rotten eggs, hear loud rattling, or see excessive smoke, your exhaust needs checking. Rust is another enemy. Moisture builds up inside the pipes, causing corrosion. If you see holes or cracks, it's time for repairs. Also, pay attention to your gas mileage. A sudden drop, a clogged catalytic converter or oxygen sensor might be the cause. These parts help your engine burn fuel efficiently. For a quick check, listen under the car when it's running. A hissing sound could mean a leak. And if your muffler is dragging, that's a major red flag. Tip number 15, plan for seasonal changes. When winter hits, cold temperatures can kill a weak battery, thicken your engine oil, and reduce tire pressure. Check your battery, switch to winter tires if needed, and use the right oil for colder weather. Also, avoid cold start mistakes. Letting your car idle too long in freezing temperatures can cause carbon buildup and waste fuel. Instead, give it 30 seconds to a minute before driving gently. Keep an emergency kit in your car. Jumper cables, blankets, and a flashlight can be lifesavers. In summer, Extreme heat strains your cooling system and tires. Overheated engines are a leading cause of summer breakdowns. Make sure your coolant is at the right level and your radiator is in good shape. Also, check your air conditioning. A failing AC in the summer is no joke. Tip number 16, keep your fuel tank half full. Running your car on empty might seem harmless, but it's a recipe for costly repairs and winter breakdowns. Moisture buildup in a low fuel tank can cause rust inside your fuel system. Over time, this rust clogs fuel injectors and the fuel pump, leading to expensive repairs. In cold weather, this moisture can freeze, blocking fuel lines and making your car hard to start, or not start at all. Keeping your tank at least half full is an easy way to extend your fuel system's lifespan and avoid winter emergencies. Tip number 17, know when to call a professional. Some car maintenance tasks are simple. Checking your oil, topping off fluids, or replacing wipers, you got this. But some issues need a trained mechanic. Ignoring them could cost you more in the long run. Hearing strange noises, a squealing belt, grinding brakes, or knocking engine sounds aren't normal. Don't wait until it gets worse. Dashboard warning lights? Some, like the check engine light, could mean a minor issue or a major one. A mechanic can run diagnostics to find out. Leaking fluids? Oil, coolant, or transmission fluid leaks can lead to overheating or complete failure. If you see puddles under your car, get it checked. Does steering or braking feel off? If your car pulls to one side, vibrates, or has weak brakes, don't ignore it. Safety should always come first. DIY car care is great, but knowing when to call a pro is just as important. Fixing small issues early can save you from big repairs later. Bonus tip: a dedicated toolbox in your car can save you in a pinch. Keep essentials like a tire pressure gauge, jumper cables, a multi-tool, and a flashlight. These can help with minor fixes and emergencies. We've listed some must-have tools in the description below. Check them out. These car maintenance tips everyone should know will keep your ride in top shape. Like and subscribe for more, and click the link below to watch 17 costly oil change mistakes that ruin your engine.